Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is Asian Buddhist Summit 2024. The Ministry of Culture, Government of India, in collaboration with the International Buddhist Confederation, is organizing the first Asian Buddhist Summit on 5th and 6th November 2024 in New Delhi. The summit's theme is Role of Buddhism in Strengthening Asia. The summit aims to bring together Sangha leaders, scholars, experts, and practitioners from various Buddhist traditions across Asia. The event seeks to foster dialogue, promote understanding, and address contemporary challenges faced by the Buddhist community. Special exhibition India as the Dhamma Setu. A special exhibition titled India as the Dhamma Setu, that is bridge connecting Asia, will be curated as part of the event. The exhibition aims to showcase India's role in promoting and preserving Buddhist heritage across Asia. It will feature creative displays highlighting India's contributions to Buddhist art, culture, and philosophy. The exhibition seeks to strengthen cultural ties and mutual understanding among Asian nations. Significance of Buddhism in Asia. Buddhism holds a unique position in the spiritual and cultural history of India and Pan-Asia. The teachings of the Buddha, his disciples, and preachers have united Asia through a common outlook on life, divinity, and social values. Buddhism has emerged as a valuable component of India's culture, aiding the country in developing steadfast foreign policy and effective diplomatic ties. Buddhist symbols are incorporated into India's national identity, reflecting its deep-rooted influence. Now is the time for practice question. What is the theme of the first Asian Buddhist Summit? Buddhism and modern science, role of Buddhism in strengthening Asia, Buddhist art and culture, or meditation practices in Buddhism? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.